In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily decrease the position size of a trade on the platform BingX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BingX, make sure to go down to the video description and click on the first link. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $6,000 as a welcome bonus. First, I quickly want to mention that I'm currently using here the demo trading feature. So if you want to try out the platform, I highly recommend you to just go up here to derivatives, go to USDT perpetual futures after you've signed up. When you're using the link down from the video description, you will also automatically get some demo funds that you can then use to try out the platform. Up here, you will see a button to go to the demo trading feature, and then you can use the entire platform right here without having to use your own money. So as you can see, we are currently in this position right here. We are using a 7x leverage with a $700,000 position size. And if we want to decrease the position size, that actually just means closing parts of the position. And you have multiple options to do that. Either you can go down here and say, I want to close market. And now you can choose how much percent of your position you want to be closed, or even type it in here. Let's say I want to close $100,000 of it. I can just type the number in right here and just click on confirm. And you will see now we've decreased the position size to $600,000. If I want to decrease it further, I can do it here again. Another option would be up here to click on close market and type in the value in here, or use the slide controller. Let's say I want to close another $100,000. I can also type it in right here and just click on close long. Confirm, and you will see down here now I have it at $500,000. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible with up to $6,000 in bonuses by using the link down from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.